This video is sponsored by Lingoda. No matter if you're learning German for your job or just for fun, Lingoda has the lessons that you need to reach your goals. Take live online lessons with native speakers whenever you want. Click the link in the description and get started learning German with Lingoda today. Hallo Deutschlerner! Today I'm going to explain to you all about dates in Germany. And no, I'm not talking about going out with a person of romantic interest, nor am I talking about the awful fruit. The first step in this process is learning about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are things like first, second, third, and so on. These are obviously not exclusive to dates, so I'll start with how to form them outside of their association with dates. For the most part, ordinal numbers are the same as the normal numbers, called cardinal numbers, but you add te or ste to the end of the number. Technically speaking, the t or st transforms the cardinal number, normal counting number, into an ordinal number, a number that defines the order of things or events. And then you add an e to the end as an adjective ending that has to match the case and gender. But since you're beginners, I'm going to show you how to use these in specific circumstances and avoid the real adjective ending lesson for now. There are a few exceptions to the add t or st and then an e rule, so I'll show you the list up to 13 for a start. Erster, first. Zweite, second. Dritte, third. Vierte, fourth. Fünfte, fifth. Sechste, sixth. Siebte, seventh. Achte, eighth. Neunte, ninth. Zehnte, tenth. Elfte, 11th. Zwölfte, 12th. Dreizehnte, 13th. Since the numbers 13 to 19 all end with 10 in German, you have the same exact ending for each of them. Dreizehnte, 13th. Vierzehnte, 14th. Fünfzehnte, 15th. Sechzehnte, 16th. Siebzehnte, 17th. Achtzehnte, 18th. Neunzehnte, 19th. After 19, the numbers end with 20, and in order to make those into an ordinal number, you need to add ste. Zwanzigste, 20th. Einundzwanzigste, 21st. Zweiundzwanzigste, 22nd. Dreiundzwanzigste, 23rd. Vierundzwanzigste, 24th. Fünfundzwanzigste, 25th. Sechsundzwanzigste, 26th. Siebenundzwanzigste, 27th. Achtundzwanzigste, 28th. Neunundzwanzigste, 29th. Numbers after 29 follow the same pattern by adding ste to the end. This includes not only the two numbers that I'll show you for the purposes of dates, but also for every number up to 100. It should be mentioned that the word for the 100th does not include the pronunciation aiding e like you saw with regular verb conjugation. So the 100th is hundertste. The only two numbers that you need for dates after 29 are as follows. Dreißigste, 30th. Einunddreißigste, 31st. If you want to say the date, you can form your sentence similarly to what you can in English. Keep in mind that the dates are masculine, so everything uses der or a variant thereof. For example, Heute ist der 11. Februar. Today is the 11th of February. Morgen ist der 12. Februar. Tomorrow is the 12th of February. Übermorgen ist der 13. Februar. The day after tomorrow is the 13th of February. Der 4. Juli ist ein Feiertag in den USA. The 4th of July is a holiday in the USA. Der 3. Oktober ist für Deutschland ähnlich. The 3rd of October is similar for Germany. If you want to say on the followed by a date in German, you use the preposition an plus dem, and then the ordinal number with an n at the end. An plus dem are usually shortened to just am. Here are a few examples of that. Ich habe am 15. November Geburtstag. I have my birthday on the 15th of November. Ich feiere meinen Hochzeitstag am 24. Juli. I celebrate my wedding anniversary on the 24th of July. Wir feiern dieses Jahr am 28. November Thanksgiving. We celebrate Thanksgiving on the 28th of November this year. Am 25. Dezember feiern viele Deutschen Weihnachten. On the 25th of December, a lot of Germans celebrate Christmas. When reading specific dates in German, the order is slightly different than the order used in the USA. For those familiar with British English, there is no difference. In America, we usually write the dates with the month, then the day, and finally the year. In British English and in German and pretty much everywhere else in the world except in the US, we write the day first, then the month, and finally the year. This is just another example of the Americans being unique, like when we use feet and inches instead of meters and centimeters. Also, Germans write dates with periods between the day, month, and year, whereas English speakers generally write them with slash marks or hyphens. It is also acceptable in English, however, to write dates with periods between the numbers. Here are some historical dates and how to read them in German and American English. Der 30. Januar 1974. January 30th, 1974. Christian Bales Geburtstag. Christian Bales birthday. Am 30.01.1974 wurde Christian Bale geboren. On the 30th of January, the first month, 1974, Christian Bale was born. Der 3. März 1847. March 3rd, 1847. Alexander Graham Bell's Geburtstag. Alexander Graham Bell's birthday. Am 3.3.1847 wurde Alexander Graham Bell geboren. On the 3rd of March, the third month, 1847, Alexander Graham Bell was born. Der 3. Oktober 1990. October 3rd, 1990. Tag der deutschen Einheit. Day of German Unity. Am 3.10. feiern die Deutschen Tag der deutschen Einheit. On the 3rd of October, the 10th month, Germans celebrate Day of German Unity. In English, when we say something happened in a particular year, we use in before the year. In German, this preposition is not only not necessary, but is actually incorrect to be used. Pay attention to the difference in translation for the following examples. 2010 habe ich meine Frau geheiratet. In 2010, I married my wife. 2012 wurde meine Tochter geboren. In 2012, my daughter was born. 2016 wurde mein Sohn geboren. In 2016, my son was born. Now you have most of the parts that you need in order to read, write, and say dates in German. The only part I left out is the names of the months in German. Here they are. Januar, January. Februar, February. März, March. April, April. Mai, May. Juni, June. Juli, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. Dezember, December. Again, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Lingoda. They have the lessons to fit whatever your needs may be. If you're learning German or even French, Spanish, or English for that matter, they have the lessons and materials that you need to be successful in your language learning goals. Click the link in the description and check them out.